Hey there, math fans. Grabbed another problem from our pre-calculus course where we have two cars at an intersection. But mostly here I just wanted to share Desmos. So in the comments I'll share a link to this Desmos in case you want to play around with it to show you how simple it is to do this. I grabbed some images of cars. I have one car that's going north at 30 miles an hour. That's the 030T. T is time in hours. I have another car going west at 50 miles an hour. And I figured out their distance and I even simplified it. But what I like is that I can animate this and then I can label it. There's that one. There's that one. I can label the distance between them. Ooh, what's that other car doing? It made an early appearance. So that distance we can compute. And the homework says, like, when is the distance equal to something? And you put that for distance, you solve for time. Where are we at a given time? Boring. So I thought as a student, I'd be like, well, what's a more interesting question? So I threw another car in the mix. So let's throw another car in the mix. It's going to start over here. I'm going to have it zoom over from that spot. And let's ask a different question. It's the same game, but I would like to know how far it is from there. This is going to be more interesting because there's going to be a moment when it's closest. And again, I'm just sort of showing you, illustrate basic things we can do with lines and distance. When are they closest? You really kind of need calculus for that. So I just thought I would give that as a taste. I'll restart it and you can watch it again. When is it minimal? And so what I'll do to finish this is just give you a little taste of where you're headed, which is one of the things I like to do. So here's that second car. I had it start at, come on, fat head, get smaller. I had it start at -40. At the same time they were at the intersection, and I have it going 45 miles an hour, and it happens to be 10 miles north when it started. The distance between them I can compute. I just use this coordinate and the coordinate for the car I'm interested in. And then this is something we actually will be able to do later in our pre-calculus course, but I just thought I'd give it to you. I put it into Wolfram Alpha. You could probably put it almost anywhere and say, find the minimum. Now, I wouldn't be able to do that unless I could formulate the question. So there's still some value here. But I formulated the question. It said the minimum is 13.87 miles. It happens in 0.7179 hours. So let's go there. 0.7179. I'll get there. 0.71. Satisfying. Not that bad. Minimum's right about there. So there you go. There's some of the things we can do, but we can't do any of that if we can't label and get the formulas. I hope that's interesting.